What's going on, guys? Built Tough 1776 here. I got my best buddy here, Tristan.
So,
wow, gonna be like that, aren't you? Behind me, I got my 2011 two-wheel drive Traxxas Stampede, and if you don't notice, even behind that is a track we've been building in the backyard for a couple hours now, and we're gonna do a little testing on this little old buddy, and I'll bring the camera up close and you can see what's going on with this little dude. So you've seen the overview of the truck already, and well, I don't know much about all this digital vehicles, because if you notice, I specify in things that run off gas and have real motors, but I do know this has got an XL5 power transplant to this, like I said, it's two-wheel drive, so only to the rear, and it's got independent front and rear suspension, and it's completely open diff, as you can tell. Please spin the wheel, Tristan, on the back. Spinning opposite ways, open diff. So she's a rally vehicle. She ain't no super off-roader like rock crawling, but we'll see what she can do. We fine-tuned the suspension, got brand new shocks on there because the others were blown, and we got a new battery in here, so let's do a little testing on the track. Well, I'd call today a success. What do you have to say, Tristan?
yeah, it was pretty great. The only thing I have to say is that we forgot to tell you that we were going to take everything down and make a ramp, but turned out pretty great. Unless we're talking about the camera was falling over. That's the only other thing.
Oh yeah, we don't worry about that. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'm not going to tell you to subscribe, like, comment. You all got your own noggins up here. You are functioning well enough to click on this video by yourself, so I shouldn't have to tell you what to do. So
yeah, let's just hope it has a cool enough thumbnail that,
have a nice night, and
first try. Bye.